Welcome to day 18 of our yoga journey. Namaste, myself Diksha, and today we are diving deep into the world of chakras, the subtle energy centers that influence our physical, emotional, and spiritual well being. Each chakra is like a spinning vortex of energy aligned along the spine from the base to the crown of the head. There are seven main chakras, and each one is associated with a color, a mantra, and specific physical and emotional qualities. So now we'll understand why do chakras get blocked. Sometimes life throws us off balance. When we experience stress, emotional wounds, fear, guilt, or disconnection, that energy gets stored in the body. And when we don't process these emotions or ignore the signals of our inner world, our chakras can become blocked, overactive, or sluggish. These imbalances can affect our mood, our energy levels, and even our physical health. But the good news is, movement, breath work, sound, and intention can help us realign and restore the flow. That's exactly what today's practice is all about. This gentle flow is designed to awaken balance and energize all seven chakras, from root to crown. As we move, we'll use breath, color visualization, and mantra vibration to clear stagnant energy and reconnect with our radiant selves. So let's begin. First chakra is root chakra. The color is red. Mantra is Lam. This chakra focuses on stability, safety, and connection to the earth. Begin seated in a comfortable cross leg position or Vajrasana. Close your eyes and feel the ground beneath you. Solid, stable, and unshakable. Visualize a vibrant red light glowing at the base of your spine. This is your foundation, your connection to the earth, your sense of safety, belonging, and survival. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself anchoring deeply into the present moment. Let go of tension, uncertainty, or fear. Slowly move into cat and cow, awakening your spine gently. As your breath flows, feel the energy at the base of the spine begin to stir. Silently or softly repeat Lam, Lam, Lam. Keep visualizing the red color at the base of your spine and keep repeating the mantra. I am grounded. I am safe. I belong. Next is sacral chakra, Swadhisthana. Color is orange. Mantra is Vam. It focuses on creativity, sensuality, and emotional flow. Gently shift into butterfly pose and opening the hips, let your knees drop softly. This is your center of emotions, pleasure, and creative expressions. Visualize a glowing orange light in your lower abdomen, like a warm sunrise radiating from within. This chakra asks, can I enjoy? Can I express? Can I feel? Repeat the mantra. Vam. 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 I am creative. I am open. I flow with ease. Keep visualizing the orange light in your lower abdomen. Release and relax. Now come on all your fours and slowly rise into downward facing dog. Pedal your knees. And let's move to our next chakra, solar plexus or Manipura chakra. The color is yellow. Mantra is Ram. From downward facing dog, slowly walk your hands forward into plank position, feeling your core activated. This is your power center, the seat of your confidence, decision making, and personal identity. Visualize a brilliant yellow sun at your solar plexus, radiating outward with warmth and strength. Repeat the mantra in your mind. Ram. 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 Activate your core and flow through plank to downward dog again. Pedal your knees if needed and then walk your hands forward again into plank position. Keeping your core strong, visualizing the bright yellow color, repeating the mantra in your mind. Ram. Repeat these affirmations. I am powerful. I trust myself. I take aligned actions. It focuses on willpower, self-esteem, and inner strength. Keeping your core activated, slowly come down to Chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Moving forward to our next chakra, heart chakra, Anahata. Back to downward facing dog. And slowly walk your feet forward into forward fold. Halfway lift and roll up to standing position. Inhaling, rising your arms up, open your heart and bring them down while exhaling, hands at heart center. Inhale again, rise up your arms, bring them down again while exhaling and move into forward fold. Step back and come on your knees. Gently rise into camel pose. Heart chakra, the color is green, mantra is Yam. Reaching both your arms back to your heel, lifting your chest to the sky, rising into camel pose. Visualize a soft green light expanding from your chest like a gentle forest breeze, soothing your entire being. Repeat the mantra Yam. Yum. Repeat the affirmation I am love. I am open. I forgive and accept with ease. Slowly release and lie down on your back. Next is throat chakra, Vishuddha. The color is blue, mantra is Hum, and it focuses on expression, truth, and authentic voice. Gently lying down on your back, start rising your chest up to the sky, lifting your heart center. Visualize a clear sky blue light glowing at your throat, open, calm, and expressive. Repeat the mantra Hum. 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 I express my truth. I speak with clarity. I am heard. This chakra governs honest communication and speaking your truth. Feel the breath pass through your throat, cleansing and freeing. Release the posture. Take few breaths and come into child's pose. Next is third eye chakra or Agya chakra. Color is indigo. Mantra is Om. It focuses on intuition, clarity, and insight. Letting your forehead rest gently on the mat. This gentle pressure stimulates your third eye. Visualize a deep indigo light between your eyebrows, a glowing beacon of insight and inner knowing. Repeat mentally. I see clearly. I trust my intuition. My inner world is my guide. Now slowly rise into a seated position, softening your gaze inward. This is your space of dreams, wisdom, and inner vision. Next is crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. Come into Sukhasana, a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in a mudra, palms facing upward to receive. Close your eyes. Feel your sit bones grounding into the earth. And from that place of stability, begin to gently rise through the spine, lengthening upward all the way to the crown of your head. Now bring your awareness to the very top of your head. Visualize a soft violet or radiant white lotus gently unfolding, petal by petal, opening you to divine light, peace, and wisdom. With each inhale, feel light streaming in from above. With each exhale, soften into this connection with something greater than yourself. The universe, spirit, source, or simply the mystery of life. This is the energy of Sahasrara, your gateway to higher consciousness. It's a space of unity, awareness, and bliss. When this chakra is open, we feel deep trust, inner peace, and a sense of being whole. You may silently repeat the affirmation, I am connected to the divine. I am pure light. I am whole. Letting it vibrate gently through the crown and dissolve into stillness. Sit here for a few quiet moments. Let the breath be effortless. Let the mind be soft. And when you are ready, bring your hands to your heart and offer gratitude to your practice, to your breath, to your body, and to this moment of presence. Thank you for joining me for this chakra balancing flow. I hope you feel more centered, vibrant, and alive. Let me know how you feel in the comments. Until tomorrow, stay aligned, stay lit from within. Namaste.